Meet the Forest Master FM6DD, the powerful compact petrol wood chipper built to master your garden waste. Powering through branches up to 50 millimeters in diameter, the FM6DD handles remarkable cutting capacity. Driven by the latest LCT Maxx Series 4-stroke engine, the chipper drum spins up to 3,600 RPM for fast and powerful chipping performance. Equipped with twin reversible blades, effectively doubling the life of your cutting edge, ensuring fresh, sharp performance with minimal maintenance. The direct drive system delivers consistent, reliable power straight to the drum, eliminating the hassle of belts or chains to adjust or replace. Watch this powerful chipper produce consistent, uniform wood chips that are ideally sized for all your landscaping needs. The rotatable hopper and exit chute work together, giving you the ability to adjust the feed rate and maintain a smooth material flow that virtually eliminates frustrating blockages. Weighing only 38 kilograms, this compact machine is easy to move, store, and operate, making it perfect for both home gardeners and professionals. Designed and engineered in the UK, ensuring reliable performance and local expertise. Protected by both a UK patent and an international patent, this machine stands as proof of its innovative design and professional engineering. Upgrade your yard management today by choosing the Forest Master FM6DD, the compact chipper built for power, convenience, and superior performance.